Good morning.
Like this.
It is literally... Oh my god, I look so terrible. It's literally 10 o'clock. Guys, we just woke up. Is this holiday life or what?
Hey guys. No, Mom, put it that other way. Yeah. Hey guys, look at my muscles.
Guys, it's second week of holidays.
Guys.
We've been in lockdown. We're out of lockdown. We have to wear masks inside until Friday. So look, we're doing all right in comparison to other states. But guys, I want to vlog every day this week. I've been so slack. I know, I'm sorry. But yeah, big plans. We're going for a rainforest walk today.
With who?
Mate, we literally just spoke about it.
Listen, that. Where are we going?
Just us.
Oh, Mom.
Oh, jeez, okay. Soz.
I can lift you. I can do some squats with you. Yeah. Let's do some squats. What? Goldie, squats. Oh, Mom. Let's do some
Guys.
squats. I'll just grab Oh yeah. Goldie. Extra weight. I'm having a look. Oh, so I can pick up Julian.
But guys, if we go anywhere, of course, we're making snacks. You know, just to take. Oh, gross. Just ignore my ratchet nails. Sorry.
And don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. Bye. And share them. Bye. Finally. Gosh, Mom, great job. We found it.
Oh, my brakes are so cute. Oh my god, so
Oh, I thought you said you got them fixed. This is a still area, and then we're gonna go on a walk. So yeah. Mama, where's my baby? Mama, where's my three babies, Mama?
Okay.
Where's my three babies?
Okay. So we're here.
I said that.
And it's freezing cold.
Oh, my three babies.
So we're gonna have to get walking to get warm, I think.
It's not cold. It's so warm. So cold. No, it's not. It's freezing us down.
That's so cute. So that was embarrassing. I just slipped down the hill holding Goldie. Can you show? Is it gone away? Just like, is it gone away? Sort of. Thanks. It was all like mossy and wet, and I'm wearing cons, so arse over.
Mine.
Thank you. The real MVP. Can you see my breath? It's like foggy.
Yeah.
Oh, thanks. Oh no.
It's not coming off.
Don't do that, guys, please. go down with it. A backpack?
Yeah.
Why?
I'm so good.
Aww, I'm so too. The panda? Kookaburra.
Yeah, and this is a shark.
Is it?
Yeah, this is a shark shape.
Okay.
Mama, this a body shape.
Is it?
Wait, eat it?
Yep.
Body shark.
Was that a nice walk?
Yeah.
I really enjoyed that. That was
too.
lovely walking with you guys.
I like walking.
Goldie, you did so well. You walked the whole track yourself.
Thank you.
And Oscar, you did so well, and it was so nice that you were helping your sister too.
I was helping Goldie mostly.
Yeah, that's really nice.
Thank you, Goldie. Because Goldie's only 2 years old.
Yeah.
Goldie is an old.
And Oscar, did you want to wear those special school shoes today?
Yeah.
Yeah, he really wanted to. That wasn't me. Oscar really wanted to wear your school shoes, hey?
Yeah.
We'll have to wash them before school.
When is school?
In 1 more week.
School is tomorrow.
No, 1 more week. Guys, did you love it?
Yeah. No. Why not? It was so long. It was 2K. That's not long.
It was 2K. It was 2K and about an hour. It was actually pretty good. It was a really good family walk. I've just spotted a park. I thought we'll do one more play before we go home. It's just a little cute park. I don't know. We're near like Mount Glorious somewhere, I think, or Sanford. Out we get, guys. You can run over together.
Go, 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 go. Up the slide, up the slide. Go, Goldie!
Woo!
20 seconds!
Smashed it. Ready? Woo!
25 seconds! Go, Goldie! Goldie, Goldie! Put my hand. 29.
Move, Oscar.
29. 30.
Woo!
30 seconds! You guys reached 5 seconds apart. Oh, no.
Your bad side.
I have a good side.
Look how baggy I am. And
You're
my
not
eyes.
baggy.
Yeah, my eyes are baggy as.
You're not baggy.
I'm baggy. Look, I'm so baggy. All the sleep I don't
I
get.
think this is the good side. Or this is the good side. Oh, I think no.
Baggy. I'm gonna call myself Baggy Maggie. Woo! Oh, don't. Yeah.
Hey, boy.
Hey, Grandpa.
Thank you.
See you, Grandpa.
This grandma.
Hey.
This grandma.
Oh, I'm Grandma.
I'm her kid.
Yeah.
This is a baby. That's the mum.
Yeah.
And she's your daughter. So
Oh.
you're my grandma. So guys, let's do it again.
Okay. Open up, please. So, look. My brother and his girlfriend Louisa have just been in Tassie for like the last, I don't know, 10 days or something. They're getting home today. He just called me. They're coming over to sleep over. So clearly we need to clean the house now. I just grabbed some things from Coles and we're gonna do a tidy up, but it's gonna be so nice to see them.
up.
So nice to see them.
Hey, what about my room? It's a bit of a mess.
Let's just focus on the living area. Okay.